Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This is my third after convention video after Sinsheim and Schoonhoven. And as you can see, the topic of this video is my mobile robot Mydfir with sonar, line following and color sensor. In preparation to the conventions, I had lengthened this power cable, and that proved to be a big advantage. However, using one laptop to control two models proved to be a big mistake, with the result that this robot did work, but on the wrong program, and it had a crash. And as a result, I have to test the sonar again. Does it work? Does it not work anymore? Because it completely fell apart. Well, one of the sonars anyway. And for the rest, it did drive nicely. But for testing the sonar, I have to go to the screencast to show the interface, testing, diagnostics, etc. Although this is an older computer and the capture of the camera for the screencast is maybe not optimal, like last time, I'm trying it anyway, otherwise I have to install everything on a different laptop. And I prefer not to do that. Anyway, let's see whatever I can try amidst the noise that reconstruction works with the neighbor do. And distance mode, that should be the sonar. This one should I take? And then everything should be visible here, if things work out. So, let me hold my hand in front of the sonar. Nothing is visible, so that's one thing. And I know during the convention it did work. Not visible via the interface, but I saw the reactions through the software. So, the question is as well, is that something that works anyway? And now I'm trying to get this one in front, so then this should be working. And yes, device already open because I have to close this prior to use the software. There we go, I hope. And here the distance you see is in centimeters, but it is doing so. It's stopped now. Putting this in a nice place, and then I have to take an object. So let's grab an object. With an object in place, as you can see right here, I have measuring tape, and that shows that the object is between the 15 and 20 centimeters. But already here and here you can see that different distances are being shown. So in that way I'm confident that it will be working. And let's now see once again if things do work out. And unfortunately I still see absolutely nothing, so that is strange. Alright, let's close and start again. And it shows 70 to 20 centimeters, which is exactly as predicted, 15 to 20. Yes, it is. And it doesn't really matter which one is D1 and D2. The distance is about the same. So sonar is working nicely. Very good. Then there is another object right here, but it is about this view in 3D. So this object is just outside the scope of the sonar, which means that only this object is visible and it works. Well, the object doesn't work, but it is visible. And it stops because closer than 10 centimeters it says, okay, I quit, and that's the algorithm I wrote. Once more, and now it says 20 to 25. So you may conclude that the sonar is working perfectly, no damage from the crash at the convention in Germany. I'm very happy for that. Which means that the diagnostics is no longer necessary and I can just make a full run. I can do another test with the sonar because it has to back away as well if something comes close. Let me move the camera for that. Going again. Yes, it backs away. And yes, it did back away. And it says for reaction. Yes, and that is exactly what it did. It sensed something coming towards the robot, being the object, and then it backs away, which means before reaction. This is before reaction. A reaction from the motor to back away, and the distance after the reaction. So you may conclude safely that everything still works. Very good. So the conclusion is that although the robot interface is obsolete, the data link interface, radio frequency interface is obsolete, although still searched for by some people. I'm happy that everything still works. Algorithm works. Power cable has proven very well and functional during the conventions and here as well. So I'm quite happy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can support via PayPal, Ko-fi and by becoming a patron. And this is maybe going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.